Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to enable system updates with Azure Security Center. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and the Azure Security Center monitors the Windows and Linux virtual machines daily and computers as well for missing operating system updates. Security Center retrieves a list of available security and critical updates from Windows Update or Windows Server Update Services, that is WSUS, depending on which service is configured on a Windows computer. Security Center also checks for the latest updates in Linux systems, and if the VM or computer is missing a system update, Security Center will recommend that you apply system updates. So if you sign into the security portal and you go on to the Security Center, and you see the policy and compliance screen here. So I do not have any virtual machine here. And if you go to the overview and if you would see the resource security hygiene, you click on here, unhealthy, and if you see, I do not have a virtual machine. So let me just quickly create a virtual machine and I come back. And then I'll show you what we can do here. Okay, before I create a virtual machine, I want to tell you one more thing. Maybe we can do this without the virtual machine as well. I'm really sorry for that. So if you would go to the overview, you see this manage and govern your security posture. You see this define and assign security policies. You see make alert data available. You see regulatory compliance. These are all the insights. So if you would click on here and if you select your subscription and if you select the option which says view effective policy, and here you see the list of the computer and app option here. It says system updates should be installed on your machines is the policy. It says system updates recommendations will be received only if data collection is enabled on your virtual machines. Azure Security Center will assess if VMs are missing security system updates. And if I select that option under the data or data collector option under the Security Center, this thing will monitor the virtual machines for the missing updates. And how do you do that? And you see this, in order to configure a specific policy assignment, choose one of the assignment below. If you will see ASC default, which is Azure Security Center default option, it is present with this GUID. You see this GUID here. And if you would see that in this example, the ASC agent has not been deployed to a VM or any physical VM that is outside of your Azure. I don't have any. And that is why you're getting audit if not exist is displayed here. So audit if not exist enables the auditing on the resource that match the if condition. If the resource is not deployed, not exist is deployed, right? And if I enable this policy here, review, and this policy enforcement is enabled, audit is displayed if the deployed but disabled displayed. Disabled is displayed. So if I say review, save, and then I will create it and audit if not exist. So it will audit it, the policy, and if this policy is not existing onto the virtual machines, then it will keep auditing it and would give me the recommendation that the system updates are missing. And that is how I can monitor the system updates using the Azure Security Center on my Azure virtual machines or on the virtual machines that are outside of my Azure, that is the non-Azure VMs that can be on-prem, physical, or any virtual machines hosted on my on-prem environment. I hope that was informational for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.